Hi, it's Wendy from the library. I'm going to be making foam slime today, and just want to let you know that if you register for the program, you'll get a take and make kit, which will include some clear glue, some liquid starch. It calls for half a cup, so we have 2 small containers. You may get 1 larger container. Some foam balls, different colors. They might be different color schemes, but you'll get some of that. And then a plastic spoon. What you'll need from home is a bowl, some warm water. You'll need a half a cup of warm water. And if you want to add any food coloring to make it a certain color, you could add that, though the balls are colored. So it's up to you whether or not you want to do that or not. It has to be liquid. But so we're all set. Let's get started. I'm going to turn my camera down and let's see what we've got here. All right, so here's my bowl. And I'm going to start by, I think I'll put my foam balls in first because they are fly away. If they get a little bit of electric static cling to them, they kind of stay in your bag or stick to you. So I'm going to put those in first, and then I'm going to add my clear glue. Now this is about a half a cup of clear glue, and you're going to want to make sure you get it all out. So once you start pouring it in, make sure you take your plastic spoon and scrape the bottom and all the sides and edges and get as much as you can out of this container. That would be great. This is actually how much slime you'll end up having. There we go. And then what I like to do is I'll mix this, if I can get as much of it stuck into that glue as possible, that it won't fly away on me. That'd be great. Stir that up. Alrighty. And then we have that half a cup of liquid starch and a half a cup of warm water. So let's get this started. This is our activator. And then here's half a cup of warm water. And then we will stir. And hopefully this all will start cleaning. Oh, it's already turning kind of rubbery and stretchy. Stir it right up. It's wet all around it, and that's okay. I think that's part of the making sure that you can get in there and mix it with your hands. You can do quite a bit with a spoon, but eventually you're going to want to make sure it's sticking together with your hands and mixing it really good. Some of that water gets left behind later, and that's okay. But I can already feel that it's getting a little bit firmer and getting mixed well. And it's not really sticking to my hands that bad, so go right ahead and get your hands right in there. And turn and turn. I think there's a little bit left behind in my bowl, and that's okay. I'm just going to keep mixing this now within my hands. There we go. And my hands are wet. That's okay. Oh, it's getting a little thicker. That's great. Some of these balls are very cool feeling in this. Wow. So now this is my slime. You can already see it's kind of jello-y. But if I held on to it, it would slide and squish right down. So, oh, that's pretty cool, guys. Oh, this was really fun. You could play with this as long as you want to contain it. They say put it in like an airtight container. I think if you wanted to wash this out and get all the glue out of it, then later on you could put this in there and it would be pretty full. It would fill it right up. Or a Ziploc bag if you want. So that was a load of fun, pretty quick process. That activator was our liquid starch. There are different activators when you're making slime. Sometimes you might make it with borax, but the starch here does the same thing. We made slime earlier that we used contact solution, a saline solution, so that worked. But this actually is a really smoother type of slime, though it feels crunchy and that great texture from the balls. So hope you had fun. I know I did. And we'll see you soon. Have a great day.